Good day to you. In this video, I'm going to discuss the 36 finals. I'm going to teach you on how to pronounce these 36 finals. Are you ready? Okay, let's now start our discussion. Finals, or in Mandarin it is yunmu. It is a vowel at the end of a syllable. And these finals are divided into the simple finals, the compound finals, and the nasal finals. And there is one final that is called the special finals. So let's begin with the simple finals. The simple finals are the letters A, O, E, I, U, and the U with the two dots above it, I call it the special U. The simple final A is pronounced as ah. It sounds like just you open your mouth, okay? Ah. So that's how the letter A or the ah sound is pronounced. Ah. Then next is the letter O. It is pronounced as O. 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 Is round your mouth. So O, that's the letter O. The letter E is pronounced as U. That's how it is. So that's the letter E. Then the letter I, it is E. It's like a smiling letter. E. E. And then the letter U, it is pronounced as U. 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 Okay, I'll repeat from A, O, E, I, E, U, O, E, U. And here is the challenging finals, which is this finals, the U with the two dots. So to pronounce this, you can first pronounce the letter or the sound E, the letter I. E. That's it. You have to pronounce it first, E, and slowly make the U sound or the O sound. So okay, this one. E. So first let the E sound. E. Then slowly make the U sound. E. 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 So that's the pronunciation of this finals. Okay, I'll repeat. E. 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 So the technique of that is first pronounce the letter E sound and slowly make the U sound. So E. E. So that's it. Okay, I'll repeat the simple finals. A, O, E, U, E. Okay, did you make it? So you can also try while watching me, okay? A, O, E, U, E. Okay, let's now proceed to the compound finals. First is the AI. It's easy. So to pronounce that, it is I, just like the English word I, the eyes. Okay, I. And then next is the EI. EI is A. That sounds like hey, A. And then the AO sound, it's ow, like cow, ow. And the OU finals, which is O. O sounds like no, O. Okay, I'll repeat. I, A, ow, O. Next is the IA. IA is ya. Then IE, it's yeah. The UA is wa. UO is wo. Okay, I'll repeat. IA, ya. IE, yeah. UA, wa. UO, wo. And then the special U, okay, U with the two dots and add then the letter E, it is pronounced as yue, yue. Okay, yue. That's the pronunciation. Yue. Remember the U with two dots. It's yue, and then we add letter E or So yue, yue. That's the pronunciation. Okay, let's now proceed to I-A-O, which is yao, yao. I-O-U, it is yo. U-A-I, it's y, y. U-E-I, it's way, way. And let's now proceed to the nasal finals. And let's now proceed to the nasal finals. First is the A-N. It's simple. It's just an. And then the finals, E-N. It's, remember that letter E is pronounced as so it should be un, not in. Okay, it's un, and I-N, it's in. Next, I-A-N, it's yen. U-A-N, it's one. U-E-N, it's un. Okay, un. I-A-N, yen. U-A-N, one. U-E-N, un. Okay, the special U-A-N, I'll just call it special U-A-N. When I say special U, it is two dots. Okay, U-A-N, special U-A-N, it is yuan. Okay, yuan. And then special U-N, it's it's yuan. Then A-N-G, it's simple. E-N-G, it's remember that the letter E, it's pronounced so not eng. Okay, not the English. It's it's so I-N-G, it's ing. Then I-A-N-G, it's young, like the word young, old, young. U-A-N-G, wang. U-E-N-G, it's ong. O-N-G, it's ong. I-O-N-G, it's yong. Before I forget that, there is a special finals that I said, right? That's the R. E-R. Okay, the pronunciation is R. That sounds like R, the letter R. It's R. So usually there are words that they're putting R. For example, it's called the erhuain, the R sound. They have the R sound. Mostly it is mostly speaking in Beijing, the erhuain. So that's the special final sound, which is R. It's E-R, R. Okay, that's the sound. Okay, I'll going to repeat all of the 36 finals. Simple finals. A, O, E, U, U. Okay, then follow after me, okay? Okay, the compound finals. I, A, Ow, O, Ya, Ye, Wa, Wo, Yue, Yao, Yo, Wai, Wei. That's the compound finals. Let's proceed to the nasal final. An, in, yen, wan, un, yuan, yun, ang, ing, yang, wang, wong, ong, yong. And the special final is the R. So how was it? How was the experience in pronouncing the finals? So I hope that you get something in here. You're able to practice on how to pronounce these finals and also the initials that we've discussed last time. I know it's really hard to pronounce these initials and finals. So just keep going, just keep on practicing, just don't give up, okay? I know it's really hard because I also experienced a difficulty in learning this language, which is the Mandarin, and it's really hard, but just keep going. Keep on working hard in learning Mandarin. Just don't forget, okay? Just keep on practicing and eventually you will master it. So that's the end of my discussion on the pronunciation of the finals. I hope that you gained something in this video. So see you in my next video on the tones. And thank you everyone for watching. 谢谢大家的观看，祝学习愉快，Happy learning. 再见 Goodbye. See you in my next video. Bye.